Alright, my people, now welcome back again to my channel. As your boy Prince TV. You and be saying never subscribe, try to subscribe to our channel so that anytime I upload a video, you go be saying that you're gonna be the first person when they get the video, you know as it happens. So don't forget, say for this channel, so as you see the matter and so the reason and so for this particular video, so we'll talk about the issue when it be saying 9 day ground, the one of Georgia Melon and that woman when they behave like say 9 days having a wife, you understand? That Georgia Melon will talk about the issue, and then we'll talk about the award when it be say they give her, you understand? Because the European Union, they say they don't give them award, so we'll try to tell her the award when it be say they give her now, when it be say she can't the jolly, all this kind of stuff. And then we will still talk about another one again, the Savini had a take go attack Savini, you understand? Because he get one radio station when the BC they come they attack Savini, they ask and say why BC always they disturb immigrants. He can't state in reason people when he like and people when he don't want, you understand? So we'll talk about that one. And then we'll still talk about another issue again of the Tunisia people when it be say they can't go they steal thief, whether not thief go call her now. They don't go they be say they can't go they take the fish for Italian territory, you understand? Because you know say for Italian territory when it be say for their own Mediterranean Sea, don't they allow other people to come that place called the fish, you understand? So we'll talk about the issue. So without wasting time, may not be like say we just start to talk everything for you. So and the amo subito most as it play. Alright, my people, now welcome back. First of all, we'll talk about the Georgia Meloni when he said don't go give him one award for the European side, you understand? Give him award as the European, that is the Conservative and the Reformist party, you understand? The president of the Conservative and the Reformist party, you understand? So now be the award that they give and now be the president of the Conservative and the Reformist party now. So put the picture here more the sound. So Georgia Meloni now be this lady one of the here. So now be that lady when he be say the Giro with Savini when he be say that they go everywhere they talk say immigrant this immigrant that, you understand now? So as the matter take be now it can't be like say this woman now don't escape Savini come out, you understand? Because he and Savini be they work together. Now be that one that they call the brother of Italian, you understand? Fratello d'Italian. This woman now be their leader, you understand? So now he don't get another award again when he be say they give and say may become the Conservative and then Reformist party, you understand? As the president, as their president. So this one I be the latest award where they be say they give this woman now, so she can't happy, all those kind of stuff, you understand? So it can't be like say now she don't come like overpower Savini to for the political aspect again, because this award where they give her now, so now another title again when it be say she still get power for the Europe side. Anything she still talk, her mouth go still, her voice go still come out, you understand now? So as it be now, so now they give this woman this award. Now still say more and let her know as it be, but now not say this woman a person when it be say still the Giro for immigrant. They do as having they do say you not like immigrants, say immigrant will come here, say clandestine this, clandestine that. All of them, this woman, all of them, they will fight against the senatorial, say they're not supposed to make the senatorial. So as they give and this award, that you will tell me what you reason, whether you like as they give and this award, whether it makes sense for your eye, you may still try to let us know more, know as it happen, you understand? But say I will wear and slap now, they will say 2 weekend, my just leave, I understand now. So now so it be so. So without wasting time, more go straight to another news again, more see as it happen.
Prince TV.
Not this multi don't happen for inside the Italian territory, the sea part, you understand? The Tunisia people, they can't go that place, so that they don't know, say, the Guarda the finance, they do for inside the sea, the Giro, they look for people when they want cash, when it be say, they know they allow them to fish for their own territory, understand? So as these Tunisia people, they now, they can't go that place, can't go the fish for the Italian territory now. This Guarda the finance now, as they see them, guy, they can't open fire for them. When I watch video, now I shock, now I say, come on fish again to catch fish for a territory. Now be so now can't open fire for them. So guy, when I see the video, the thing can be like say get as the sub. For those of now when the be so I never watch the video, I'll plan for your money as it happen. So if you see the way when this Guarda the finance they open fire for all these Tunisia people, say they can't catch fish for that territory, say why they will come they catch fish for that territory, guy. When I see that in a shock. For those of now when it be say when I never see the video when it be so these people come the paro demonstrate. So now so it happen all these gather the finance now they come dey paro for Tunisia people say why they will come their side come go dey fish, you understand? Guy, they fire them, they use fire to pursue them, not be small thing. Guy, when I reason I say hey, Italian on a strong sha, so just to common fish where they for sea. So now I not feel allow people come dey fish for na territory. So now wetin happen with that? So now I'm still let una know as they play, as Italy take the cut chain for those who be say they won't come fish for their side, you understand? So now so the issue take be. So without wasting time, we'll go to the major reason when it be say now we dey our make customer when it be say now they giro up and down, they find immigrant when you want persecute. As God may have it, it can't be say or implying con dey fail. So without wasting time, we'll go meet am, we'll see as it take play.
Prince TV.
One radio television don call out for Savini when they come call am invite am for interview. In between say na better thing they call am for, no say they call am make they come attack am for the way when e be say they treat immigrants. So now all these people na come dey ask am question say wetin be the particular problem wey you get with immigrants? Why you know they allow immigrants dey arrive for Italy? Wetin be the problem or wetin be the issue when e be say you get with immigrants? Make you tell them, you understand? Savini come call change say as in dey say when he be as the minister dell'interno say he allow migrants enter, say they allow people they enter, say they give them humanitarian document. Guy, if he be say that one na olden days or 2009, all those kind of stuff, not been when he be the minister dell'interno, when he be say Lamorgese come take over. That time he block everywhere, he no allow anybody take the come. So now this people come dey ask am question why be say no they allow immigrants dey come. He come dey talk say as in dey now say you know say many immigrants dey for the country when he be say they dey regular, they dey work, they dey pay tax, they dey send their children to school. Say he no get problem with all those ones. Say also immigrants when he be say they go come when he be say they really get good reason to stay for the country, say he no still get problem with them. But if they don't arrive now, say no work where they go do nothing there, all those kind of stuff. Think on the paro, they talk say all those things. Say all of them they not just escape because of a problem. Say most of them they just escape because of economic problem. They just come here and say if they still reach here now, so if they give them food, they go say they not like and say make them turn back to their country, all those kind of stuff. Understand? All these people come still they tackle and they tell and say even at that say but that one not make and they treat immigrant like that because many people see they when it be say they not get war, but as time goes on say everything go dey system mind, see they wave head. For those of now when it be so I never see the video when it be say they come they ask and this question, demonstrate.
Lei non pensa che se tutte queste persone invece di essere discriminate, insultate,
ma chi è che deve essere?
ma accidenti,
scusi, io chi discrimino?
adesso onestamente
L'unica che io non ho ancora capito però qual è l'istigazione all'odio, perché in questa campagna elettorale se c'è uno che è stato attaccato,
questo è vero,
strappati i rosari, strappati i capelli,
abbia presente già solo il fatto che lei
non ho
giri
mai
col rosario
reagito,
per me non è normale.
ho sempre
abbia
risposto col sorriso.
Ma perché lei deve girare col rosario?
Perché lei non lascia parlare
ma
il
per
prossimo?
quale motivo?
Ma perché lei non lascia parlare il prossimo?
Ma veramente parla solo lei, non è che io non la lascio parlare.
L'immigrazione va controllata, va regolamentata come ovunque nel mondo, come in Svizzera, in Arabia Saudita, in Canada, in Australia. Se hai i documenti, se hai il permesso, se hai un lavoro, arrivi. Se scappi dalla guerra, arrivi. Il 90% della gente che arriva sui barchini e sui barconi non ha documenti, non ha un lavoro e non scappa da nessuna guerra.
La questione che scalda di più i cuori è proprio quella dell'odio, no? Cioè, in generale,
ma perché l'odio?
No,
cosa ho detto?
perché allora è molto facile, in una situazione come questa, dove chiaramente c'è un disagio sociale incredibile, è innegabile, no? Dove la gente non ha lavoro.
Non possiamo far arrivare decine di migliaia di stranieri irregolari.
Mi scusi, una campagna sempre sull'odio, sempre contro.
Ma qual è l'odio? Che parole di odio
allora,
mi ha sentito dire?
Quando
ero ministro, i corridoi umanitari per i rifugiati veri, per le donne, i bambini e i disabili, li organizzavamo con la Chiesa Cattolica in aereo.
Lei alimenta
ma
attraverso
se però riusciamo a parlare una alla volta è meglio.
Certo.
Io ho detto che non distingo gli esseri umani in base al colore della pelle. Per me non ci sono i bianchi o i neri, ci sono le persone per bene e le persone per male.
In
Italia ci sono 5 milioni di immigrati regolari. Posso finire?
Sì,
grazie. In Italia ci sono 5 milioni di immigrati regolari che pagano le tasse, portano rispetto, mandano i figli a scuola, sono miei fratelli e mie sorelle. Sì. Il mio problema non è dove nasci o che colore hai della pelle, il mio problema è se rispetti le regole. Io ti do rispetto, chiedo rispetto. Se arrivi a casa mia e inizi a dire non mi piace il crocifisso, non mi piace il presepe, non mi piace cosa mangi, non mi piace la d'Urso, torna al tuo paese.
Che lei possa... Allora, queste persone, se invece di essere sfruttate, no, proprio nel modo più atroce e sottopagate venissero regolarizzate, venissero nel nostro paese e pagassero, e tra l'altro ci aiuterebbero anche tantissimo.
Sono 10% del PIL italiano comunque.
Scusa, voglio sentire Sallusti un attimo.
Lavoro che non vuole più fare nessuno, perché per quanto...
Aspetta, Salvini, dimmi Sallusti.
È pieno di italiani e di immigrati regolari che chiedono solo di essere pagati il giusto, ma finché c'è la concorrenza sleale di manodopera a basso costo...
Ma non è concorrenza sleale, scusi, ma uno che va a lavorare a 2 euro l'ora, secondo lei fa concorrenza sleale o cerca solo di sopravvivere?
L'immigrazione clandestina è un reato.
No, guardi, ma non per l'immigrato, per quello che
vorrei sentire Sallusti, per favore. Alba, scusa un attimo, prego.
Everybody lay your flesh.